Let's discuss further heart palpitations as we continue with interviewing. When we ask patients about palpitations, it is important to explain to them the meaning of this symptom. Most patients mistakenly identify palpitations with tachycardia, that is, the pulse beating faster than normal. In reality, palpitations are not related to the rate or speed of the pulse, but simply indicate a subjective and uncomfortable sensation of being aware of one's heartbeat. Palpitations are a symptom which is always related to the heart and may appear in any of the heart patterns. Palpitations with an acute onset may be due to external stimuli such as fright or an overwhelming emotional upset, in which case it is called fright palpitations. Palpitations that extend upwards towards the chest and throat and downwards towards the umbilicus and abdomen are called Zhang Chong, which is translated as panic palpitations. Literally, it means panic and anxiety. This type of palpitations is due to rebellious qi in the penetrating vessel affecting the heart and is considered a more severe type than ordinary palpitations. Palpitations indicates a subjective sensation of the patient who is aware of the heart beating and may have the impression that it is fast or irregular. This is a subjective sensation and the pulse may in fact be neither rapid nor irregular. Palpitations should therefore not be confused or identified either with the Western symptoms of tachycardia or bradycardia, which refers to the objective rapidity or slowness of the pulse, respectively, or with arrhythmia. Palpitations are a symptom that may appear in any heart pattern. There are three more conditions which may cause palpitations. First, there is shock affecting the heart. Palpitations after a shock, anxiety, agitation, restless sleep, and there is a moving pulse. Next is kidney yang deficiency with water overflowing to the heart. So here there is palpitations, edema, especially of the legs and ankles, cool feelings in the legs and back, fullness and distension of the abdomen, soreness of the lower back, feeling cold, scanty clear urination, breathlessness, cold hands, pale and swollen tongue with a wet white coating, and a deep, weak, slow pulse. The third is rebellious qi in the penetrating vessel affecting the heart. Severe palpitations, there is anxiety, feeling of energy rising from the abdomen to the chest. There is a feeling of heat in the face, a feeling of a lump in the throat, a feeling of tightness of the chest, nausea, slight breathlessness, epigastric fullness or stuffiness, umbilical and abdominal fullness, irregular and or painful periods in a firm pulse. Thank you for your attention.